We are going to look at factors and multiples. An easy way to think of it is factors go into a number. So the number can be divided by any of the factors of the number. And then multiples come out of the number. That number is used to make other numbers. So the number that you're looking at, like in this case it's 8, is a factor of whatever numbers that we use, that we write down as multiples. Okay, so think of what factors are of 8. What are the factors of 8? We always start with which number? 1. So 1 times itself, 1 times 8 equals 8. Is 8 even or odd? It's even, so we know 2 can go in. 2 times what is 8? What's the missing factor? 4. And then, since we've divided it in half, we only have to go up to whatever number we use to multiply by 2. So we only have to go up to 4. The only other one is 3. Can 3 go into 8 evenly? Count by 3s. 3, 6, 9. Since 8 is not a counting number of 3, then 3 is not a factor. So the factors of 8 would be 1, 2, 4, and 8. These are all of the factors. These numbers go into 8. 8 can be divided by them, or they can be multiplied in order to make 8. 1 times 8 is 8, and 2 times 4 is 8. Multiples come out of the number, so they're the counting numbers of it. Okay, so if I count by 8, I can get all the multiples. I can think of in my head 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, and keep going up. I can use my multiplication chart. I can find 8 on there, and all the numbers listed across that row of 8 are multiples of it. So count by 8s. Use your multiplication chart if you need. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and you could keep going. Those are all multiples. They can be divided evenly by 8. That's the difference between factors and multiples. So multiples of 8 are all these numbers. 8 is a factor of all of these numbers. I can use it in I can use 8 in a problem in order to make each of these numbers. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, 8 times 6.